Hey guys, it's Captain. Today I want to show you real quick how you can install the user library that comes with my templates into your own user library, or how to use it from within the project if you prefer that. So real quick, just open up any one of the templates, or if you're using an older version of the template, go grab the download for the user library. It's in with the rest of the downloads. So yeah, once you've got your template opened up, go ahead and click Current Project, and you'll see the user library folder in there. If you guys are using the user library folder, just go ahead and drag that into your project folder. You'll have it there. And what you can do, you can take the three of these, drag them over to your user library if you want, and it will install all of the racks and the instruments and the clips and all the cool stuff into your own user library if you like. You'll see I use this same naming method with my own library. You're welcome to use it if you want. Yeah, as soon as you do that, you'll have these three wonderful things. You'll have clips, so you have a bunch of drum patterns in there, some key clips, pattern markers, song pattern markers. You'll have all the instruments and the racks all right there ready to go. That's it. You guys let me know if you have any problems. Thanks.